In this video, we will code the legendary program Hello World. So I will start with creating a new file and then save this as hello world.java and save. As you can see, it has created a class Hello World which is public. Class is an extensible program code template for creating objects. Each Java file will have a class, usually with the same name as the file name. The next is public. Public, it means that this class is public and it can be accessed from outside its package. Next, we will create our first method main. Public static void main string square brackets args and curly brackets. Here public, as I already discussed, this method can be accessed from outside this class. Static means that we do not need to create objects of this class hello world to use this main method. Void is the return type. Void means it will not return any value. Main is the name of the method. Main method is the first method in the order to be accessed. String args means this method may take an array of strings as input, and that array will be assigned to a variable args, this args. So it means main is a non-returnable method which may take an array of input strings, can be accessed from outside the class, and there is no need to create object of that class to use this method. If you still do not understand this concept, then don't worry. We will cover this object-oriented programming section. Until then, just note it down and copy paste this in all of your programs, this whole code. Next, we need to code the behavior of this method. So our objective is we need to print a string hello world in command line interface. So there is a method println in out class of system package which we can use to print something on command line interface. So inside the system package there is a class out, and inside this class there is a static function println. Inside this method I will provide hello world string as an input, hello world semicolon, and this method will print this hello world on command line. And then let's try to run this, run without debugging, and the hello world is printed. You can also try this basic program. Just remember, Java is a case sensitive language, so the code must remain in the same case as I have typed. You can also find the same code in the description section. You can copy paste the code from there to avoid any mistakes. In the future videos we will discuss about Java operators, if else statements, loops, methods, etc. Thank you very much.